Welcome to Renovate. Today, we'll be examining the best stick welders. The PrimeWeld 160A is a versatile stick welder designed for both hobbyists and professionals. It offers a solid 160 amp power output, making it capable of handling various welding tasks with ease. Its dual voltage input ensures compatibility with different power sources, adding to its flexibility. The unit's compact design, weighing only 12 pounds, makes it highly portable, perfect for on-site jobs and workshops. Additionally, it boasts a 60% duty cycle at full power, which means you can work longer without frequent interruptions. One downside to this device is its lack of advanced features found in more expensive models, such as digital displays or automatic settings. Some users might also find the provided accessories like the electrode holder and ground clamp to be of lower quality, necessitating additional purchases for optimal performance. Lastly, while its lightweight design is beneficial for portability, it can sometimes compromise the overall stability during operation, especially for more demanding tasks. Overall, this model is a reliable and budget-friendly option for those in need of a straightforward stick welder. It strikes a good balance between power and portability, making it a practical choice for various welding projects. Check out the link in the description below to find it on Amazon. The Everlast 140ST is a versatile stick welder known for its robust performance and reliable build. With a 140 amp power output, it's capable of handling a wide range of welding tasks efficiently. Its dual voltage input adds to its versatility, allowing use in various settings without the need for additional equipment. Weighing 25.7 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and sturdiness, making it suitable for both on-site and shop work. The 35% duty cycle at maximum output ensures that the welder can handle intensive projects, though it may require occasional breaks. However, this device has some drawbacks. Its higher weight compared to other portable models might be a downside for those prioritizing mobility. Additionally, the 35% duty cycle, while adequate for many tasks, might limit extended use in more demanding applications. Users have also noted that the welder lacks some advanced features, such as a digital display for precise controls, which could be beneficial for fine-tuning the welding process. In summary, this model is a solid choice for welders seeking a dependable and versatile stick welder. It offers a good balance of power, durability, and portability, making it suitable for a range of welding projects. For more details and to purchase, check out the Amazon link in the description below the video. The Forney Easy Weld 180ST is a powerful and user-friendly stick welder designed for both novice and experienced welders. With a maximum power output of 180 amps, it can tackle a wide variety of welding tasks, making it highly versatile. Its dual voltage input ensures compatibility with standard household outlets and more powerful industrial connections, offering flexibility for different work environments. Weighing just 14 pounds, this welder is extremely portable, which is perfect for jobs that require frequent moving. Additionally, the welder comes with a 30% duty cycle at full power, allowing for substantial work periods with manageable cooldown times. On the downside, this device's 30% duty cycle means it might not be ideal for continuous heavy-duty welding projects without taking breaks. Some users have also pointed out that while it is designed to be easy to use, it lacks some of the advanced features and settings that more experienced welders might find useful for precise adjustments. Overall, this model is a solid and portable option for those looking for a dependable stick welder. Its combination of power, ease of use, and portability makes it a practical choice for a range of welding tasks. For more information and to purchase, check out the Amazon link in the description below the video. The PowerARC 200ST PA200ST is a high-performance stick welder built to handle a broad range of welding tasks with its robust 200 amp power output. The dual voltage input offers flexibility for both home and industrial use, making it suitable for various environments. The 35% duty cycle at full power allows for sustained welding sessions with minimal breaks, ensuring efficiency and productivity. However, this device has some limitations. its 35% duty cycle, while sufficient for many tasks, may not be adequate for prolonged heavy-duty applications. Additionally, some users have noted that the unit could benefit from more advanced features such as digital controls or a more intuitive interface, which are often found in higher-end models. In conclusion, this model is a powerful and versatile stick welder ideal for a range of welding projects. Its combination of power, portability, and dual voltage capability makes it a valuable tool for both amateur and professional welders. For more information and to purchase, check out the Amazon link in the description below the video. The Forney 235 AC/DC is a powerful and versatile stick welder designed for heavy-duty welding tasks. It offers both AC and DC welding capabilities, providing flexibility for different types of welding projects. The welder requires a 230-volt input voltage, making it suitable for industrial and professional settings. Despite its considerable power, the unit is quite heavy at 108 pounds, which makes it less portable but adds to its stability and durability. One of the main drawbacks of this device is its weight, which can make transportation and maneuverability challenging. Additionally, the 20% duty cycle at maximum output means that it requires frequent breaks during intensive use, which might be a limitation for prolonged welding sessions. The welder also lacks some modern features like digital displays or precise controls, which could be beneficial for fine-tuning the welding process. In conclusion, this model is a robust and reliable stick welder ideal for heavy-duty and industrial applications. Its dual AC/DC capability and high power output make it versatile and effective for a variety of welding tasks. For more information and to purchase, check out the Amazon link in the description below the video. The Hobart Multi-Handler 200 is a versatile multi-process welder designed to perform MIG, stick, and DC TIG welding tasks. With a maximum power output of 200 amps, it is capable of handling various welding applications across different materials and thickness. The dual voltage input, 120 volt and 240 volt, enhances its flexibility, making it suitable for both home workshops and professional job sites. Weighing 38.4 pounds, the unit is relatively portable for its class, making it convenient for transport and use in different locations. The 20% duty cycle at full power means that while it can tackle intensive projects, it will require regular breaks to prevent overheating. On the downside, the 20% duty cycle at 200 amps may not be ideal for prolonged, continuous welding tasks, necessitating frequent pauses during heavy-duty use. Additionally, some users might find the weight a bit cumbersome for frequent mobility compared to lighter models. While it offers multi-process capabilities, it lacks some of the advanced features found in more specialized welders. In conclusion, this model is a highly capable and flexible welder ideal for a variety of welding projects. Its multi-process functionality, dual voltage capability, and reasonable portability make it a practical choice for both hobbyists and professionals. For more information and to purchase, check out the Amazon link in the description below the video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with future content. And feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring.